Ever struggled with keeping your poultry perfectly tied while roasting? Mrs. Anderson's Cooking Twine promises to keep your chicken or turkey snug and secure, so every meal comes out just right. Whether you're trussing stuffed chicken, securing bacon-wrapped filets, or forming roasts, this twine delivers consistent results that make a difference in your cooking. I've used this twine myself, especially when trying to replicate that rotisserie-style chicken at home. The legs kept flopping around until I tied them up tight with Mrs. Anderson's twine. The difference was clear. No more slipping or uneven cooking. It held everything firmly in place, letting me focus on flavor instead of fuss. Beyond the kitchen, it's also a versatile helper around the house, perfect for crafts, tying up plants, drying herbs, or bundling newspapers. It's durable yet biodegradable, made right here in America from 100% all-natural cotton. Plus, it's food safe and oven safe, so you can use it with confidence every time. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to elevate your cooking and handle everyday tying tasks, Mrs. Anderson's Cooking Twine is worth a look. It comes in a generous 200-foot roll, single use for easy cleanup, and fully compostable for an eco-friendly choice. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or tackling household projects, this twine makes life easier. Try it when you're ready to add precision and convenience to your kitchen and beyond.